Mathematics 2, Chapter Integration. Tutorial Question 21. The diagram shows the curve y equals to x squared minus 3x plus 4 and a straight line y equals to x plus 1. A. Find the coordinate of the point where the curve and the line intersect. Now, how to find the intersection point between two curves? Very simple. Yes, you make it y1 equals to y2. Then you solve accordingly. Let's denote the quadratic equation as y1 and the straight line as y2. Equip those two equations, x squared minus 3x plus 4 equivalents to x plus 1. Hence, you bring all of the terms at one side, producing a quadratic equation, which is x squared minus 4x plus 3 equivalents to 0. Solve accordingly, you will got two value of x, which is x equals to 3 and x equals to 1. Please do not stop here. They ask you for the coordinate. Hence, find for the value of y. You can use any of these y equation, either quadratic or linear. I'm going to use the linear because it's much more easier for you to substitute. When your x equals to 3, your y equals to 4. When your x equals to 1, your y equals to 2. Hence, your coordinate will be 3, 4, and 1 and 2. Now, next job. B. Find the area of the shaded region enclosed by the curve and the line. Okay, now how to find the area? Before that, let's denote the point of intersection. Okay, the point of intersection will be the boundary of your area, which is when x equals to 1 and x equals to 3. Let's erase all these A working step. Start to do the B. Now, how we do B? Remember, area is the application of integration. However, this time it will be between two curves, which is a quadratic and a straight line. So to find the area is very simple. It's going to be the integration of the area boundary, which is 1 to 3. Now, what will be the function? Remember, it must be the upper curve minus the lower curve. Now, look into your area. You notice or not? The line, the straight line is at the top. Meanwhile, the curve quadratic is at the bottom. So, it will be the linear equation minus the quadratic equation. Always refer to your graph. I believe you can solve accordingly. Simplify first before you integrate. You will got negative x squared plus 4x minus 3. You're going to integrate it with respect to x. Remember, this is the equation of power. So how you're going to integrate is just simply the power will be added up by 1 and you divide by that power. So in the case of here, you will got negative x cubed over 3 after you integrate. 4x squared over 2. Last but not least, negative 3 is a constant. When you integrate it, you will got additional x here. So don't forget the boundary from 1 to 3. Now evaluate accordingly. Substitute 3 first into the x. Evaluate, you will got 0. Then you're going to minus with the substitution of 1, your lower limit, into your expression after you integrate, and you will obtain negative 4 over 3. At the end of the day, you will got the area between these two curves as 4 over 3 unit square. That's all.